Kimmy!
Hi!
Hi!
Hi! I see a red light.
Yeah, really. Wait, okay, so that's our snowman. Running away from 1, 2, 3, 4 sharks. 4 lovely sharks. So, he's trying to swim away, but he's probably going to get eaten anyway, so it doesn't matter. Right, Kitty?
Yes!
So, anyways, what should we name the snowman? Because we know it has to be a JT member, right?
Hi, Icons!
Wrong person. He's not in JT.
Hi, Beard.
Yeah, okay. So, the snowman's Beard, and, let's see, who should the sharks be?
Red one's me.
Okay, the red one's Kimmy. I could be the one of them. So, one of them's Panther. Yay. And then, the other 2 are just whoever. I don't care. One can be Dem, because he's a fat butt. So, he gets to become the big one. Yeah, I said it. What now?
Oh, snap!
Oh, snap. Zing! Okay, so, yeah, our lovely snowmen. Well, snowman and snow sharks. Because, you know, we were going to do a whole documentary on snow sharks, but we fail.
Still can.
Yep. Okay, so, bye.